Welcome to this week's video, and what is the start, the very first coin in a collection of 10. This is the Royal Tudor Beasts, all going to be £5 coins. Really excited about this new collection. Now, I do think that there's probably going to be an 11th coin, just like with the Queen's Beasts coin. There was a completer medallion. Now, I cannot wait to start this collection. I sort of had a love-hate relationship with the £5 coins for a long time, but I'm over it. Beautiful coins most of the time, and when there's a whole series to collect, it's really exciting. And this one, of course, is the first, the Seymour Panther. I want to get into this now so that we can have a look at all that information inside. And there we go with the packaging taken away. That is the front. And then the back. We'll check out that information and the coin specs in a bit. But first of all, let's go through all of the information that we get inside. And what I'm going to do is focus in on all of the parts, all that good information. And if you want to have a read of it, of course, as usual, feel free to pause and have a read at your own pace. A little bit there about the designer, and then the anatomy of the Seymour Panther. So if you check out the references there, it'll show you exactly what everything is on the design. To reach the Great Gatehouse of Hampton Court Palace, you have to cross the moat bridge and pass its sculpted guardians, the Royal Beasts. Commissioned by Henry VIII and completed whilst Jane Seymour was his queen consort, these 10 fearsome sentinels stand for family lineage and regal power. The beasts proclaim the Tudors' right to the throne with every heraldic shield and symbol, feather and claw. The use of animals and mythical creatures as a way of showing ancestry and allegiance dates back to medieval England, but it was through the Tudor dynasty that heraldic art reached new heights. 10 majestic beasts stand on the moat bridge at Hampton Court Palace, and each one is a statement in stone, proclaiming the right to the rule by Henry VIII and his Tudor descendants. The Royal Tudor Beasts collection celebrates these heraldic beasts and recounts the rise of a royal dynasty. And then finally, let's quickly check out the coin specs before we look at the coin. It's a £5 coin. The alloy is cupronickel. The weight is 28.28 grams. Diameter 38.61 millimeters. The obverse designer is Jody Clark. Reverse designer David Lawrence. And of course, with this coin, the quality is brilliant and circulated. As usual, starting off with the obverse of the coin, and look at that for a finish. Stunning and flawless. £5 coin, Elizabeth II. Jody Clark's 5th portrait of the Queen. And what a start to this 10 coin collection. What a great design. Again, flawless. Amazing. I am now a big fan of £5 coins. I reluctantly collected them before, or some of them, but I think it's actually the Queen's Beasts series that really got me into these £5 coins, and I'm probably going to have to start backdating some of the older £5 coins that I didn't get. Yeah, that is a beautiful coin. I'm just hoping now that they all look as great as this. And that is the first coin of 10 for the Royal Tudor Beasts. Let's be honest, it's going to be 11. You know, I know. In partnership with historic royal palaces. So that's pretty cool. Loving the presentation. And of course, as mentioned, loving the design on the coin that's come out so far. So let me know in the comment section below, what do you think of this coin? Are you going to collect the whole series? And if so, are you just getting them in bulk like myself, or are any of you going for any of the amazing other ones out there that are slightly more pricey? But I want to know all of that in the comment section below, because it always interests me. If you're new around here, why not hit that subscribe button, because I release new coin content weekly. Thanks for watching.